Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you unboxing and first look of the new Bang & Olufsen Cisco collaboration, and this will be a over-ear headset, the Cisco 980. So basically what we have here on the table is a really high-end expensive enterprise grade headset for a office environment, or let's say for companies, corporations who are involved in the Cisco products. So Cisco made, if I'm not mistaken, the second generation of headsets. So I had the first one, had some time to check them out, and now they are releasing the new improved, better model. So if you want to see some information, so here is the product number. I will annotate it in the description down below. They are made for iPhone, iPad, but basically all Windows and phones are can be connected via Bluetooth, of course. So let's see the unboxing itself. So here's the other side. Let's open them up. So I am fortunate to work in a corporation or company where we can get these nice toys, because otherwise I will be not available to me. These have let's talk about the pricing a little bit later. So first do a nice unboxing. So we have a nice hard case with this piece of leather cord. Here we have some information, silica packet. So basically we have daily usage. So these have swipers for sound and also for ANC. This volume, call, touch sensitive buttons on and off. Yeah, and how to. I did ask one of our voice engineers about the application here, because the previous model had a Cisco application for them, but for some reason at launch, because these are fresh from the factory, they are not recognized by the software or the application. So you have to download the Bang & Olufsen application if you want to change the settings. So let's see, we have also a USB dongle like the previous model had, and that's it. So let's see these beautiful pieces right here. So we have, they changed out the construction and the material, of course. The previous model had some plastic and leather, and this is more like a fabric. A nice Cisco logo there, Bang & Olufsen logo. This should be touch sensitive button. Here is the this is the mute button, and here is the on and the pairing mode for the Bluetooth. Charging port, and these are the swipers, so they are not touch buttons, so you have to swipe to engage them. So nice metal construction of aluminium. The previous model had some problems where they used a thinner sheet of metal, and this part here cracked because it was plastic. This is looks like faux leather. Nice padded ear covers. Okay, so now let's see what we have in the packaging. So here is your standard cable if you want to use them as your standard wired headphones. Here is a charging cable, and here inside, hope you can see it, is the dongle itself. Let me try to take it out. It's been nicely glued in, so let's take the dongle out. If you want to see it, here is the USB dongle. If for some reason you have maybe an older PC or a computer who does not support Bluetooth connection or has not a Bluetooth card in it, then you can use the dongle for connection. And my experiences with the previous model was that the connection was more stable with the dongle itself, because I have a few problems with connections. Okay, so now let me put this everything aside and let me change the perspective, and we will continue with the video. Okay, so let's try to power them up. So this is everything like out of the box. I have done nothing to them. I hope they are charged. If not, I have to pause the video and try to charge them a little bit. So let's start by pushing the on button. Okay, we have a pairing mode, and my phone did recognize them. And they are connected, as you can see right there, and want to download the app. So let's download the app. It looks like there is a problem with the server. I don't know what's going on, so let's try. So I see we have 70% of the battery. Okay, so 70% battery, and they are connected. So firstly, let me give you the specifications really quickly, because probably you want to know of them. I have printed out everything really nicely. So let me read it aloud. So we have a acoustic shock protection from sounds louder than 118 decibels. Microphone type, we have 6 MEMS mic integrated into the ear cups. Microphone detective directionality is unidirectional. We have microphone frequency 80 to 6800 hertz. The sound codecs, we have these sound codecs here. So SBC, AAC, Qualcomm, aptX, Adaptive, aptX HD, low latency. Speaker are stereo. Speaker size are 40 millimeters. Speaker independence is 24 ohms. Speaker bandwidth is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Talk time, we have 23 hours with active noise cancellation, and we have 47 hours with active noise cancellation listening time. Really interesting. Charging time is 120 minutes. Quick charge is quick charge 3 hours and 10 minutes of charge time. So really nice. And power supply is 5-volt USB charging by USB-C cable. So it's standard. So now let me put them on and give you let's hear a few music pieces, and I will give you my honest opinion. Okay, so I must say I'm really blown away with the quality of the speakers. Yes, they are in here, so the sounds they really sound really nice and rich. So deep bass, everything you would probably expect for a high-end quality overhead earphones. Just maybe a quick reminder, if it is really hot like now it is, this will probably accumulate sweat, you can see here. So that is probably the only downside that I could they sit on my larger head really nicely. I did not feel any kind of pressure from the top part or the side, so that is really good. That is something they did really engineer around because the previous models had a little bit problem with the pressure, and lots of also customers did complain about that. These should be really fine and nice. Also, the setup, like you can see here, is left to right. I don't know why the controls are on the back side. Maybe probably to engage them with your thumb. Who knows? I did check also the range, so that is also another thing that was not in the specification, and I must say I'm really surprised, because I could go around my apartment, so I could measure maybe max around 14 to 15 meters from the source, and the quality was still perfect. No lagging. I tried to close some doors, and maybe I got one lag, but then it got back. So I'm really impressed, because usually your standard earphones that I own and did show here on my channel, those earbud styles, TVS styles, earphones, earbuds, they maybe will be good in the range around 10 meters, maybe 11 maximum, and then you will have problems. But this is really nice. So yeah. Okay, now let me go away. Let's try to check out also the ANC, and I will be shortly back. I will pause the video and give you my my opinion about the ANC. Okay, so my final thoughts about the ANC. I did try it out, and I must say I don't know what's going on. Maybe they have to be updated or something, because when I cranked the ANC on maximum, I still could hear basically environment. I put some music on, but if you are playing music and then you are activating the ANC, then that drastically helps, because you will not hear that much your environment. But yeah, maybe they have to update it. But right off the box, the ANC at this price point is, I would say, a big letdown. Okay, so I observed one more, I would say, not a major problem, but it could be a problem for some of you. These buttons here are really easy to press. And since this is the on and off button and pairing button, if you just slightly touch it, when you are searching for the volume rocker, then you will turn off your headset. So yeah, maybe they could position this somewhere else, not so close to the volume rocker. Who knows? Okay, so yeah, these are touch sensitive, so double tap will pause your music. Yeah, nothing special there. Here we can see the mics that are implemented. I see 1, 2, there should be 6, so I don't know what's going on. 3, 4, yeah. Maybe they are somewhere else implemented that I cannot see them. Anyway, okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. So like I mentioned, these are corporate or enterprise grade items or product. So basically, if you would like to buy something like this, you will probably have to go through your Cisco partner, because the MSRP or global list price, like Cisco calls it, is $826.98. So yeah, that is really a lot of money for a pair of headset. If you compare the other products that are on the market, you will probably save a lot of money if you are going with something like Sony has, or even Bang Olufsen from their catalog. So please keep in mind, these are for companies. They can get a really nice discounts on these products. So you will be not expected to pay the MSRP like with everything else in the world. I checked out the current lead time, so they should be ready from factory in 21 days, which is really nice given the current situation. So basically, you don't want to wait a long time if you would like to have them. I don't know in which coloring they are offered right now. I could order only these white ones, so no grays, but probably they will also offer different colors later on, or maybe they are available by now. Okay, so this was the unboxing and first look and quick informations about the Bang & Olufsen collaboration Cisco 980 headset or over-ear headphones. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my hobbies, like this one. Okay, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.